Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to post anonymously on Facebook group using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Facebook and log in your account. And after that, just go ahead and click on the menu button at the lower right corner of your screen. Now, you want to click on Groups. And at the upper right side of your screen, you can see a plus sign beside the settings icon. So just go ahead and click on that and click on Create a Post. Then now just go ahead and choose a group. And here at the upper part of your screen, you can see the Post Anonymously option. So just go ahead and toggle that switch on. And that should enable the anonymously post on your Facebook group. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.